So, the deepest teaching, in my opinion, of Neville Goddard's work isn't really necessarily about manifestation. It's about trusting life because the version of you who already lives in the life you want isn't obsessing over outcomes. They're living at a different baseline. And I'm sure you've heard, living in the 3D, the 4D, the 5D, alternate realities, alternate timelines, same timeline. You can be you, but in a different timeline, you are that baseline, right? It's a different baseline. And the nervous system assumes that things can work out. In an alternate reality, things are working out. And again, it's not about obsessing over outcomes because the version of you already lives the life you want. Join us as we explore Neville Goddard and manifestation. Don't forget to click, follow, like, subscribe. Every little bit helps with that algorithm.